degrees this weekend.
It's a keeper. This fish pulled so hard.
Heard they're starting to stage and get.
Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Parker.
All right, y'all. We're at Jordan Lake, March 3rd. I'm gonna see if these crappie are in these shallows. Riverbank fishermen got the boys out there. Parker's in the water. I don't know if you can see him, but we're out here Jordan Lake, one of our good crappie fishing spots, and it's like 70 degrees. We've had like 70-degree weather for a couple of days. Winter still lingering around. It's gonna be like 30 degrees this weekend, so hopefully the crappie heard they're starting to stage and get in the shallows, so we'll see if we can catch a couple and show you all some crappie catching action. Let's get it. I'm gonna try some jigs today, little jigs, and then we're gonna try some crappie up some minnows, so we'll see what we can get. First fish of the day. Colin, we'll let you catch the next one, buddy.
I'm not
Is it a nice one?
Probably. Seems like it.
Colin, you get the next one. Looks like it's a nice one.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he's carrying it, Parker.
He's trying to.
You want to catch him with the net?
No, I am not doing that. Gotta
Really,
be
Parker,
away.
reel.
Stop!
Colin, Parker, why don't you let him reel on the rest? The rest away. Let him reel on the rest. Ooh, he's a keeper.
No!
Here, let him reel the rest away. Here.
There's the crappie!
Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in.
Where's the
Pull the
net?
rest. All right, Colin, we're going to get the next one. Here, help. Parker, go get the net, please.
Dad, we got the fishing. I
Yay.
wanted the one.
First crappie of the season, and it's an eater. Colin, we're going to let you catch the next one.
No, I'm not.
Okay. I know that's upsetting that you don't get to reel in the fish, but you get the next one, okay, buddy? Can you fill the bucket with water for me? Can you help me fill the bucket with water?
No.
Oh gosh. Here we goes.
Dad, I found a glove.
We got one. You found a glove? We got another one. We got one.
Dad,
Parker, we got another one, buddy. Uh-oh, it's got this one caught. Oh no. Chaos ensues. Oh, God, he's carrying you all the way over here. Oh no, we got him, Colin, we got him. Keep reeling. He's a big one, no you're not.
What are you doing?
Stop it. Parker, hush. This fish pulled so hard, he pulled this one in. Under.
What, Daddy?
Parker.
Don't run in the way.
Parker, watch that wire over there to the right. He's not getting away. He's hooked. He's a big one, though.
You caught a fish? Is it on me?
Okay, let me fix this one, huh?
I'm saying Colin has a fish.
Go ahead and reel, reel. Get this one out of the way, too. Ooh, he's a big one.
Colin has one. Ready?
Parker, get out of the way.
Stop doing this!
Oh, he's going to get stuck on this wall.
No!
That's a big one. Parker, get out of the way. Let him do it. Let him do it.
No!
Let him do it.
I'm trying to net it.
Good job.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, that's a
Whoa!
big old slab, baby.
Yeah!
Yes.
What did you do?
Chaos, chaos, chaos.
It's my turn to catch one. No, it's not.
Parker.
Which one is not my turn?
We will make it happen. Can someone please watch the bobbers that are out there?
Okay.
Are there any bobbers that are missing? We moved to a different spot and it was money.
We only got
you
two
got
fish.
a giant one.
We've only been here for like 20 minutes.
I know.
And then we wanted to go to a different one.
Colin, you just caught the marlin, the biggest one. Yours is bigger than Parker's.
I just found two. I just found a nickel and a penny. That is not a marlin.
That's not the mom. Are you looking for trout?
No. Mom is different.
Wow.
I go to the one.
Colin, nice crappie. You want to hold him? Look at Daddy. Look. Look.
Dad, look at that I found.
All right, let's catch some more fish.
I found a nickel and a penny.
Nickel and penny, good job.
I mean a dollar. Sam, go get the net.
Where is it?
Get the net. Get in the net. It doesn't feel that big.
Did you get him? Oh, he is big. He's decent. Nice.
I don't think that's is it?
We'll check.
He doesn't feel big. He's not a keeper.
All right.
He's too little. He's not a keeper. Too little. Throw
Too
him
little.
back.
We gotta throw him back. At least we got one. Here, got one. Colin's gonna reel it in. Reel, buddy, reel. Look at that, beautiful. This is why we do it. Look at that. Oh, absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing. Thank you, God. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Oh, Colin, don't let him get lined up in the... Ooh! Nice, buddy. Good job.
That's my dog.
Got him.
No.
Here. No, it's not, Parker. Here.
Get the net. Get the net. Woo.
Can't keep up.
Get the net.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. This baby. This baby.
It's a keeper.
That's it.
It's a keeper. Nice.
See how good, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Drop that
Catch it,
net and
Crappie.
run. Don't shoot
Out.
me. I didn't mean to shoot you. Oh, jeez, he has a 2-arrow. At least this thing has
God,
farther
I'm
range.
trying to unhook him and hold the GoPro at the same time.
All right, come on. Hey.
Boy's got a Nerf gunfight going on behind us. I think we probably have another barber going on over there. Not biting? Maybe reel it in a little bit. Just reel it in a little bit. Entice him a little bit. Make him mad. Come here. What we got here on a Friday night? Doing God's creation. So, y'all need to get outside. These crappies is getting shallow. Uh-oh, we got one on live. Uh-oh, here we go. The chaos, the scenes. Woo! Yes, son. The jam? Well, I'll come fix it. Woo! That's a slab, baby! Whoa! Oh no! Get him, Parker, get him! Did he get him with the net? Oh no! God! Almost had him. Oh shoot! My God. Well, that was some excitement for you guys if you were watching. Yeah, man, I had it on camera. And then doop, there he goes. Hey, Colin, bring it up here, buddy.